Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to free up space on your Windows 11 computer. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. In the left menu, click System, then click Storage. Wait a few seconds for Windows to check your storage. Turn on Storage Sense if it is not already on. Storage Sense can automatically remove temporary files and items from the recycle bin after a set time. Next, look at the section called Temporary Files. Click it. Windows will show you different types of files you can delete, such as system cache, old update files, and recycle bin content. Select the ones you do not need. Make sure you check carefully before removing files. Then click Remove Files. You can also uninstall apps you no longer use. In the Storage section, click Installed Apps. Go through the list and remove any programs you do not need. To uninstall one, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Finally, empty your recycle bin. Right-click the bin icon on your desktop and choose Empty Recycle Bin. By following these steps, you can quickly free up space and help your Windows 11 PC work more smoothly. Thanks for watching.